Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today, I'll just walk you through on how to set up a new Windows 10 installation on the fresh PC, or even if you have an existing old PC that you want to look at upgrade instead of just do in-place upgrade, you could download the fresh install OS, set up from brand new, then install back whatever software you need. Probably that will help to clean up a lot of post software that you have installed in the past, a lot of things that could be left in the temp directories and all kind of stuff. So this is really a good start for a fresh Windows 10 install. Let's get going and let's look at what you need to do. First, let's go to open the Chrome and we type in Windows 10 ISO. This will basically bring us to the Microsoft Windows 10 ISO file download page. Here we can see that the current version is actually the May 2020 update version. What we'll do is that we'll download the Create Windows 10 Installation Media tool. Right, and then once it's downloaded, we'll basically just run it. Alright, so this will take a little bit of time for you to initialize and set things up before you choose the kind of Windows 10 ISO architecture, be it 32, 64-bit or both. First thing, we have to accept the notice and license terms. At this junction, we basically choose the Create Installation Media, and then we choose architecture. By default, you recommend based on the PC, which is a 64-bit capable hardware, which is a lot of modern PC has this for the last 5 years. Right, and here we choose the ISO format. This will bring down about a 4 gig of Windows ISO file. That will take some time, depending on your internet download speed. For myself here, I'm using a gigabit fiber broadband, so it's pretty fast. You can see now we are already 14-17%. Yep, now it's done. Right, now is the time where it does a quick verification and prepare the media. And it's done. So just click finish and that's it. That's a very easy process. Let's take a look what we have downloaded. We have the Windows ISO. We have just now the Media Creation Tool software, which is dated 2004, which is the May 10 update version. Next, what we do is that you download a tool like Rufus, which basically helps you to create a portable USB drive from the ISO file so that you can install it onto the new PC. So what we do here is we download the portable version, which doesn't need an installation, so it's just basically able to run it off. Right, the download. Here, what we have here is the Rufus. So what you need now is basically a USB drive that has at least 8 gig of free disk space. So what I have here is my previous version. So I select that, select the ISO file, right, and basically start. Right, that's what you just need to do, and just confirm that you're going to overwrite the USB drive. So depending on the USB drive that you use, for mine, this is a USB 2.0 drive, so it's pretty slow. Writing a 4 gig file, that will take probably like a couple of minutes. If you have a USB 3 drive, that is a faster one, probably this will be done in less than 30 seconds or so. Alright, now with the USB drive prepared for Windows 10 installation, we can close this program and eject the USB drive out. Insert the USB drive that you just created with Windows 10 into the new PC and set the BIOS to boot off from the USB drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Windows 10 installation. Windows 10 is installed, the first thing you should do is to get all the updates for your Windows 10. Repeat this process until there's no more updates required. Congratulations, so now you have a fully updated Windows 10, and the next thing is for you to install your applications and move your data. Enjoy your new PC.